Yeah, I know they sitting in stores, guys. I mean, I don't know why. I think they made too many pairs, but I like them. I really think they fire. So you know we had to double back after the 4K review and put together a dope how to style. Yes, sir. The Jordan 1 Ochres. A couple of years ago dropped in that best hands in the game pack and was very sought after because they didn't drop in the States. Jordan Brand gave us a GR release and now people don't want them. But in this video I put together some dope pieces to match these sneakers the best. It is a hard match, guys. It's like a golden yellow, closer to khaki. I mean the watch match though, right? Hit the B-roll. Jones on the soundtrack. Yes, sir. So I told y'all that it is a hard match, man, but we can do some things. So I said it do have like a golden arch, and when you think of golden arch, what do you think of? McDonald's. And luckily, Cactus Jack gave us some fire streetwear to match the McDonald's. So in my hand is the Cactus Jack McDonald collab French fry tee. Now if you see the French fries making the Cactus Jack face, dope. On the sleeves, you got the Cactus Jack McDonald logo. I like the match, man. Very settled, but definitely a match. You could get this from StockX or GOAT for the low. Like really the low. This was a dope collab, but they made so many pieces. A lot of stuff just stayed at retail. Some even creep below retail. So look up StockX, Cactus Jack McDonald. You'll find a French fry tee. And staying on brand, this is the Cactus Jack apple pie hoodie, McDonald's, or the sesame seed bun. I forgot which one they called it. But on the front of the hoodie, you got the McDonald logo with the apple pie and the Cactus Jack logo. And like a khaki brownish ochre, if you would say, look. A little darker though. That's the front. But the back, you get the sesame seed bun pop out letters. Super dope. It reads always a thing for sweets. So it is more of an apple pie. But it does look like sesame seed buns to me a little bit on the back. I think that's the tee I showed y'all in the B-roll was the sesame seed. This is the apple pie hoodie. I think it's a dope match to lay on them ochres with some black jeans. Again, affordable. Very affordable. Staying rock star but getting off of Travis Scott is the Pink Floyd tee, man. Now I feel like the Pink Floyd lettering is a perfect match to the ochres. A little dark yellow orange look. I really like it. But what I really like about the tee is all the holes in the tee. Like this is a real rock star tee, guys. You see all the holes in the tee. And again, affordable. I'm showing y'all some affordable looks on this one. I got this from Forever 21. Pink Floyd Forever 21. And it was under $30, guys. Dope match, man. Especially if you're into graphic tees, if you're in the 70s, 80s, 90s rock star. This is a dope look. Nice stonewashed denim. Pink Floyd 50-year anniversary. Dope match, guys. Mitchell & Ness Yankees World Series tee. Now, I like this match because you got like a beige khaki look on the shirt. But if you look at it, you also got that gold yellowish look in the World Series logo. I like this match. Mitchell & Ness, again, very affordable. $38. Mitchell & Ness Cooperstown. I like the match. As far as size, it is a little like loose tee. So if you want that muscle look, I would say go a size lower. I stay true to size with the medium though. Now y'all know the first thing I go to when it's a how to style is essentials. With this, I do like the old wheat look essentials fed guard, but finding that you will have to go third party. So I really didn't go there. I looked at my canary yellow look and that wasn't too good too. But instead of essentials, I said let's go somewhere else. And that's bait. I like the ABC match for the ochres. But that was kind of a little off. So I decided to just go with an all black Bape hoodie, guys. All black Bape hoodie. I like the match, man. Not too affordable. You're looking like $200 to $300. But you know Bape material. You know what you're getting. It's getting cold outside. This is a perfect match, I believe, for the Ochres also. Now, also in the B-roll, I showed y'all a Laker Bape hoodie. Little lighter. The Bape or the Ape, don't get it twisted. The Ape shorts are a little more in that colorway of the Ochres because it has more of a golden look. A lot of my Laker gear just had like a lot of yellowish look. This gives you more of a golden look. And Ape is more affordable than Bape, even though it's the same company. Look, man, this is a good match, man. Nice Ape on the front, Ape on the pockets back there, and of course a huge Laker logo on the side and on the waistband. $150. Also, Michelin Ness or BathingApe.com. Hats. Now we could stay Lakers. I like this look, but I like the pirate look better. This here is not a regular pirate hat, as you can see. The P is upside down, guys. But either pirate hat with the yellow and the golden, with the black and the golden P on the top, I think it's a perfect match also. Yes, sir, man. So that's a quick how to style on the new Jordan 1 Ochre joints. I like them, guys. You know what I tell you. Buy what you like. Don't buy what's hype. And I wound up winning 5 raffles anyway. So I'm kind of stuck with at least one, right? Let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. Quality's A1. Again, I just think they made too many pairs, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.